beginning of the formation, CV Isanan Furnindo was started from an individual company called Bantul Mebel. Then, on June 4, 2021, legally registered under the name CV Isanan Furnindo, which has a broad meaning as a company that can make various kind of furniture. Pioneered by the owner, Mr. Agus Subhan, in 2012, who has experience from 2000 as an employee in the furniture industry at several PMA companies in Jepara, Salatiga, and also Yogyakarta.
Culture and nature always offer inspiration in every life. Both are valuable assets to be preserved continuously. Teaching about the characteristics and values of life is what inspires Isana Furindo to work every day.
In producing our product, we pay attention to the quality of the materials used to ensure product durability and comfort according to buyer requests. Teak is one of the material often requested by buyer, although some have asked to mahogany and other. And the furniture that we produce is like shelves, decoration, tables, fences, chair, and also drawers.
Isana Furindo is located in the cultural city of Yogyakarta with the extraordinary natural potentials leading us to have such a high-quality artistic heritage made from quality raw materials. Understanding that quality control is the most essential key to succeed, supported also by the experienced craftsmen with a strong sense of art, as well as other experts who can be considered solid. Isana Furindo believes that the customers are going to feel the excitement when they witness our products, the results of the dedication we put in every product design that we create. Our masterpiece has already gone through a long process, from design innovation to the strong cultural characteristics of each product. We hope that our customers will feel the warmth when our products accompany their life throughout the day. Made with high-quality materials, our products will be with them for a long period of time, becoming family filled with love and affection. Isana Furindo has spread its wings to several corners of the world, across nation and continent borders. To maintain the quality, our packaging of goods conforms the international standards. We believe that paying attention to details will minimize imperfections into satisfactory results. Expanding horizons, maintaining loyalty, ensuring quality, and producing the best. That is what Isana Furindo is all about.
Our export market that has been running in 3 continents, that is Europe, such as UK, Netherlands, and Belgium. In Asia countries such as Korea and Japan, and also Australia.
Isana Furindo have been working with craftsmen with a great sense of art. We grant our customers' needs tailored to their requests. By paying attention to quality and product details, we believe that customer satisfaction influences their being loyal to our products. Isana Furindo uses mostly Indonesian teak wood, one of the best woods in the world for furniture. Its strong and durable characteristics will surely make our products last long in the homes of our customers. The wood we use is legal wood, so its origin and ownership can easily be traced. By fulfilling all customer demands, Isana Furindo continues to improve the production quality. We also take great measures in quality control to ensure that our products live up to the quality of our standards. As the company grows, we continue to look for reliable workers to become part of Isana Furindo. Isana Furindo has earned the trust of customers in various countries, which comes from the hard work that we put into it. We conduct research in the market to carry out innovations to meet customer needs. Not only have we completed the required certificates to prove ourselves worthy of the international market, we also do our best to stay committed and continue to maintain our products to represent Indonesia in the international furniture world.
CV Isanan Furnindo wants to enter the world markets to 7 continents in the world and also continue to maintain loyal buyers to order product from us.